Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Wednesday, and you know what that means, another shave. And we've got a good one lined up for you today. We've got some new products in the den. I'll start with the brush so that we can get it into soak. Look at this guys. Can you see that? From Pacific Shaving, natural cork handle, antimicrobial synthetic badger hair shaving brush. I know you've seen a few others having a go with this, but there you go, it's got their logo. Look at that, made out of cork, really light. It really is as light as a cork from a wine bottle. It's exactly what it feels like. These brushes feel absolutely lovely, very soft, those fibres. We'll get that in some warm water, a cup there with some warm water, and we'll just get those soaking. And then that's from these people here. I'll read you what it says. Pacific Shaving, the back of the company, a family run since 2002. Quality grooming products made from safe and natural ingredients that won't break the bank. That's what we do. Check them out guys, Pacific Shaving. Pacific Shaving Company. I'm looking for a website, I can't see one. I can't see pacificshaving.com. I imagine that would be. They seem to make some pretty decent stuff. So that's the brush. Razor of choice. Here we go. Thought we would go with the Merkur from Solingen in Germany. The Merkur 34G. Exactly the same as 34C, except that's solid gold. Well, it's solid gold plated, isn't it? It's a two-piece razor. Unscrew the bottom, the top comes off, and we're going to be putting the same company, Merkur from Solingen. We've got a pack of their blades here, and open one up, and we're going to stick. And this will be the first time ever using a Merkur blade for me, ever. There you go, a Merkur blade. Should be a match made in heaven. Same company, same razor. I mean, you buy that razor, they give you a pack of these blades with it, don't they? So it should be good. What does it say on there? Stainless roastery. What is it? Stainless roastery or something? Platinum coated. I just can't quite make it out. But it's on there. Beautiful razor that. We'll get that in the official John Shave Soaker. There you go. The balm. Do you remember we got that balm? Nivea. It says Skin Energy Aftershave Balm to revitalise tired skin. Now on the back it says made with 100% naturally sourced caffeine. There you go. And the scent of this actually smells really nice in conjunction with the soap that we're going to be using. And look at this guys. The full set. Oaken Lab Sanctum. Now, a subscriber got in touch with me via Messenger. And he said, John, he said, I'm not keen on this scent. He said, I know you've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and no, he said, I know you've got a few, so would you be interested in swapping? So we did a trade. I can't even remember what I sent Stuart. Thank you very much. Love the scent of this. I sent, it was a Chung Fung Sing out of Italy that I sent him. But here we go, Oaken Labs, the scent on this, he's not keen on it. Do you know what it reminds me of, guys? It says on the lid, it says look at that, dusty light blank paper and sandalwood. I don't get any sandalwood, but I do get paper. Do you know when you buy paper for a printer, quality paper, decent quality, and you pick it up and you first open it and you smell it, it smells like fresh, clean paper out that you would put in your printer. I like it. It smells absolutely nice, and we've got the matching after splash. I think Stuart scraped some out, scooped some out. It's not rock hard, but I think it's hard. Look, there you go. I think it's hard enough. I'm just going to take it straight from there. It's a lovely scent. My wife loves it too, so it's not going to be going anywhere. I won't be trading it on. So we can go straight in. Here we go. Looking forward to using this brush, guys. It's as light as a feather. It's top heavy now the bristles are wet. But let's go. See? That's it. get a bit more out. That'll do. There you go. Well, look at this. Couple of seconds. Lathering up. What we'll do is we'll get a load on the brush and we'll lather on the face. There you go. That looks like it's gonna. It looks like it's gonna whip up a pretty good lather. So I can see from the bathroom window here thunderclouds. The storm clouds are gathering, guys. So there you go. So we've got some on the brush. We'll wet the face and then we'll see how it goes. Wow. I can tell you right now, it smells even more like paper now it's lathered up. I would say the scent strength in the puck is about a 5. Lathered up, I would put it at 6. It really pops. And this stuff's making a rich, thick, creamy lather. We'll put a bit more water on the tips, see where we go. The bristles on this brush, really nice and soft. Look at that. It's a good brush, guys. I don't know how much they retail at. This was sent by the company to my son as a gift. And he's used it. And he said to me at the barbecue the other day, take it with you, Dad. Use it on your channel. So thank you, David. I'll put that there. Yeah, wow. It does. It is bizarre, that, guys. It actually smells like fresh paper. I don't get any sandalwood at all. I like it. That's not bad. Okay, here we go. First use of this. Let's have a go. Yeah. This is a good razor, guys. It's an absolute good razor. And that's a nice blade. So how has everybody been doing? Let me know what your shaves of the day are in the comments below. I'm going to use a sample on Saturday. And I was going to bring a list in. I was going to bring a list in and name off all the samples. But I thought it would be more fun if nobody knew what anything was. So, Daniel, a viewer, sent me 20 soaps, didn't he? 20 samples. And I've used some. I've only used about 6. So what I'm going to do is, here's the thing now. I don't think I've used any of the teens. So, when you comment, just put a number. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Number between 13 and 19. Just a random number. And then what I'll do, whichever number gets the most mentions, I'll go in and see the list that Daniel sent me. And that's the soap I'll use on Saturday. Oh, that's good stuff, that, guys. There isn't a great deal, I wouldn't say there was a great deal of residual slickness. Oh man, those bristles. Those bristles are very, very soft. Like I said, I don't know what this brush retails at, but if the price was right, I'd buy it. Pacific Shaving Company, I've shaved with their cream, which is very, very nice. Very nice indeed. And I wanted, you can't get them over here. I wanted the, they do the little square, remember the little square blocks of cream? And you would drop it in a bowl with a wet brush and you whipped it up and a bang, a lather. Can't get them over here, but they're really, really good. But anyway, here we go. It's been a good day in work. I managed to get home before all the rain. I don't want to say too much, but Samantha has been admitted to hospital. Well, she's not been admitted yet. She's at the hospital. They've taken her up and put her on a ward. It looks like they may be admitting her, so... I'll maybe tell you a bit more about that on Saturday. I spoke to her briefly on the phone. She's in a lot of pain. A lot of pain. So I don't want to say too much until we know a little bit more about what's going on. Oh, another good pass. This is good stuff, this, guys. So anyway, please click like and subscribe. I mentioned it before, but I've got a Facebook group, the John Shaves 101 Facebook group. It's just for your shares, just for your pictures, guys. Get your pictures up there, let's see what you've got. Just a bit of fun. When I set this channel up with my grandchildren, go on Dad, you can do that, Grandad. And my grandkids and my granddaughter, go on Dad, Grandad, you should get a group as well. So I did it, so. It's growing, slowly but surely. This is a good razor, guys. You cannot go wrong. I would recommend the Merkur 34C to anyone and everyone. Absolutely anyone and everyone. A wonderful razor, whether you're a beginner or experienced. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with these razors. And if you know what happened with them, I know there was talk of them closing, but then I think somebody said the parent company is keeping the razor making arm of the business open. So I don't know. The last I heard they were closing. That would be sad. I have two of these. I've got this gold plated one. I think it's 24 karat gold plated, that. Gold plated one, and I've got a chrome one. And for anyone that's thinking of getting these, do you know, if that was the only razor I ever had in all my life, that would do. I know I've got about 60. But it wouldn't bother me if that was all I had. It's a wonderful, wonderful razor. And as you can see, it's offering up a wonderful shave. There you go. Just the usual suspects, guys. And that's our shave done. Thanks for spending your time with me. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for all your comments. It's like an Oscars acceptance speech, isn't it? I'd like to thank my boss for letting me come home. I'd like to thank Stuart for sending me that stuff. I'd like to thank David for giving me the brush. That's it. No, I'm on joking. Go on. Wouldn't that be funny? Me just studying now for the next 20 minutes. I'd like to thank the postman who brought the package from Stuart. Here we go. Right, look. Remember the shopping trip? Beautiful, beautiful towel. Oh, and only £5. Wow. Here we go. It's quite warm in this bathroom, but it's cooling down a bit outside, so I'm not suffering too much today, guys. Hey, what do you reckon? Smooth as a baby's bum. Yep, I know. You're all thinking it, isn't it, John? And it looks like one as well. Right, here we go. What we'll do is we'll put this on first. As a general rule of thumb, I always put the thinnest layers on first. Oh, it looks like milk. Oh, I'll show you that again, look. I don't know if the phone will pick it up, but can you see it? Maybe not. Oh, there you go. Oh, man. That smells nice. That smells really nice. And then we'll balm up with the caffeine. This was another haul bargain. Look at this. You've got to be careful, that's quite thin. Oh man. Should I have used that? Washed that towel before I used it? I'm full of blue specks. Look, can you see them? Johnny Bluebeard. Right, thanks guys. Have a great day. Look after yourselves. Let me know. Numbers 13 to 19 for that sample. We did okay, didn't we? Good shave that. Nice and smooth, nice and clean. No cuts, no bubbles, no troubles, no weepers, no creepers, no seepers. Look after yourselves. Let me know what you want that sample, 13 to 19. Click like and subscribe, and I will see you on Saturday for a sample Saturday shave. See you guys.